welcome to the stage from Fintech Meetup, it's Gary Dempsey!
I am pleased to announce that the winner in the category is Credit Canary.
Hi, I'm Jim Fell from Credit Canary. Just extremely excited. It's a great recognition from the market, and it's great to get some recognition for the work we're doing in the open banking space. When you run a startup business, getting any type of feedback, doesn't come in like high frequency. So, getting this and having such a large recognition on a big scale is really motivating, and it's going to be really empowering for both our teams and our clients.